So here we go. Here's the 3 lots. There's one on this side, and you got the house right here. Cute house. It's pretty far out here. It's not close to the hospital. It's probably a good 8 miles. And the other lot over there. Neighborhood. Pretty rural out here. You know, like I said, it's about 8-10 miles from anything. Both these houses, I mean, you know, they're close together. Go inside the house here, do a quick walk through. Got my buddy Mark here. So you got a little living room. This is the smaller house without the extra house. So you go straight into this little kitchen here. Got the Formica countertops, good shape, paint's clean. Little dining area here. Kind of go over, get you a full run. Living room on the back of a slider. Locate here. Nice and quiet out here, that's for sure. Really large patio area. Little bar area there. It's your other lot over here. Do have some small power lines right here. They're not the really big ones or anything, just a couple lines running. Got a little dog in one of the rooms over here, so I'm probably not gonna be able to go in that room. Got a couple bedrooms back here. I don't think I can get in either one of those, I'm sorry. Little bathroom here. Got 2 bedrooms on this side. And then you got the master on this side. Looks like washer and dryer. Washer and dryer here. King size bed, master bedroom, good size room. Walk-in closet. Yeah. Bathroom, little walk-in shower. A bit older cabinets, something you can do with that. Pool area. All right, here's just a part of the neighborhood here, so you can see it. Turn off on that, just get an idea of what they're getting. Straight up this road, right?
Mm-hmm. When you left on Maplewood.
All right, here's the other house. This one's one with 2 houses. Got some space here. Got another small power line running across the back. Doesn't look super amazing from the front, but definitely a little work on this driveway look good, but the inside looks great. So, and the other unit looks really good too. So they've done a lot of work to make this right. So walk in. Living room area. This tile is really nice. It's like a slate color with small grout lines. So got a little kitchen behind that wall. You got a family room back there, and you got a master over there. I'll take you to the other 2 bedrooms first. All gray, all new paint. Definitely all brand new, brand new redone. Looks like a new home inside. Got a good sized room here. Actually, a really good sized room. Definitely could fit a full king in here with other furniture. And then back here, new bath. Everything's new. Looks like the tub is original. No, even has a new tag on it. Another bedroom back here. Definitely a little bit smaller. Looks like all no electrical plugs. Everything's been redone in here. It's like a new remodel. AC works really well. Out to the living room. Little dining area here. Master bedroom. Definitely bigger than even the other room. Full king in here, easy. Walk-in closet. You got another walk-in closet back here. Shower only. This is not a walk-in, but it's more of a reach-in, but it's pretty deep. You have a garage, which I think I missed on the other one for you. So it's got the old door on it, like more of a clear door that they painted. New hot water heater. You even have a restroom out here. Can't find a light, but there's a full shower. Full shower, nice. Sorry, I couldn't find a light. Definitely a new AC unit. New hot water. Also has the painted floor. Shut this door for you here. You still have like another family room area here, second family room. I'm sorry, I missed the kitchen. A little bit smaller kitchen. There's a good amount of cabinets. It's kind of put right in the middle of the house. Have a little reach through right there where the sink is. All new cabinets. A good sized family room here. Looks like it used to be a fireplace that they filled in. I'll take you out to the other house. See right there. A lot. Yeah, it was an old fireplace that was there. Nice size patio here. Okay, so you got like a living room here, all white tile, like a white marble, thin grout line. Gray and white paint, same as the other. You got one bedroom up here. It's actually, yep, it's got a closet, so sorry. Closet there. Back into the living room area. Nice wide little walkway here for back to the kitchen. Another bedroom here. Same tile throughout the whole place. Everything's new. Little kitchen back here. Little dining, laundry room kind of area. You got washer and dryer hookups right there. Your AC.